What initially drew me into the electrical industry was I've always been interested in mechanical things. At an early age, my grandfather had a workshop, and he was generous enough to allow me to go down and work in his shop and, as he would say, dull his tools. My first car was $55, and the engine was in the trunk, and electrical is really a progression of that. It's an assembly of parts and pieces, and you put things together and hit a switch and a light goes on or a motor starts, and that's the ultimate in immediate gratification.
The company is celebrating 30 years in business this year, and he started the company in his garage with 1 or 2 employees, and some of those same employees are still here at Hunt Electric today. So that says a lot about him. He doesn't have a big ego. He doesn't like attention. He doesn't like the spotlight. It's not about him. It's about his employees. It's about the people surrounding him.
Our business philosophy is to provide maximum value to the customer and focus on continuous improvement all the time. We're never done trying to improve our processes and what value we can bring to the customer.